नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु मानस स्वागत करुच्ची आपनकु आपनक प्रिय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑल इज वेल को। तेबे दर्शक बंधु आमे हमर लास्ट वीडियो रे यूलिप प्लान रो विभिन्न टर्मिनोलॉजी विषय रे डिस्कस करथिलु। तेबे टर्मिनोलॉजी रे पार्टियल विड्रॉल टॉपिक पर्यंत आमे कंप्लीट कर सारी। तेबे एबे आसंतु आगो को जिबा। तेबे हमर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक प्रीमियम। इन ए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ इंश्योरेंस द इंश्योरर प्रॉमिस टू पे द पॉलिसी होल्डर ए स्पेसिफाइड सम ऑफ मनी in the event of specified happenings. The policyholder has to pay a specified amount to the insurer in consideration of this promise, which is known as premium. Premium is a consideration that the policyholder has to pay in order to secure the benefits offered by the insurance contract. Depending on the product, premium payment frequencies vary from annual, quarterly, half-yearly to monthly. Part payment of premium is not allowed. A policyholder must pay the first premium while submitting the proposal form. There are various types of premium paying policies. Limited premium policies. These are policies where the premium payment period is limited compared to the policy term. Whole life policies. These are policies which do not have a definite policy term and the contract terminates on death of the life assured. Regular premium policies. These are policies where the premium payment is level and paid in regular intervals like yearly, half-yearly, etc. Single premium policies. These are policies where the premium payment is made by a single contribution or a one-time payment in inception while submitting the proposal form. Next asuchi policy term. It is the period of coverage provided by an insurance policy. एबे जानिबा premium redirection. Premium redirection is redirecting the future premiums in a fund or funds of the policyholder's choice. This may or may not different from the fund originally chosen by the policyholder. Future premiums can be redirected in any portion across all the funds available, which is applicable from the next premium paid. This is a facility where the existing corpus remains in the initial funds chosen and the new premiums get invested in new funds option chosen. Premium paying term. Premium paying term or PPT is the total number of years for which the premium are payable. Premium paying term may be equal or less than the policy term. एबे जानिबा revival in ULIP plan. Revival of a policy means restoration of the policy by the insurance company which was discontinued due to the non-payment of the premiums. This depends upon the insurance company's discretion to continue the insurability of the policyholder on the basis of the information, documents, reports furnished by the policyholder. The policyholder has the option to revive a discontinued policy within 2 consecutive years from the date of discontinuance of the policy, subject to the underwriting policy. At the time of revival, all the due premiums which has not been paid shall be payable without charging any interest. The discontinuous charges reduced upon discontinuance shall be reversed and the proceeds of the discontinued policy shall be reallocated in the segregated fund chosen by the policyholder based on the prevailing unit price. Policy administration charge and premium allocation charge as applicable during the discontinuance period shall be levied. This depends upon the insurance company's discretion to continue the insurability of the policyholder on the basis of the information, documentation and the reports furnished by the policyholder. ଏବେ ଜାଣିବା settlement option. At the time of maturity, the policyholder can take the fund value as on that day and close the contract. The policyholder may take the fund value in periodic installment over a period up to 5 years, which is known as settlement option. Under the settlement option, the money will remain invested in the fund chosen by the policyholder and is subject to the same investment risk as during the policy term. During the settlement period, the risk cover will cease. The company will continue to deduct fund management charges and no other charges shall be levied. Switches will not be allowed. Currently, minimum redemption size is 10,000. Complete withdrawal may be allowed at any time during the period without levying any charges. At the end of this 5-year period, the company will redeem the balance unit at the prevailing unit price and pay the fund value to the policyholder. The policyholder may exercise the settlement option before 30 to 180 days before the maturity date. The risk cover ceases and the fund continue to be invested during the settlement period. The risk of the unit fund will be borne by the policyholder. Next is sum assured. Sum assured is the coverage amount an individual is insured for and is guaranteed to the policyholder at the occurrence of the predefined events like death, maturity and survival with some conditions. ଏବେ ଜାଣିବା sum at risk. It is the difference between the total death benefit to be paid by the insurer and the unitized fund value. If the fund value shows an increasing trend, the SAR risk keeps reducing and becomes zero at the point of intersection with the sum assured. Hence, there is no further deduction for mortality and a large piece is available for investment. ତେବେ ଦର୍ଶକ ବନ୍ଧୁ ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି। ଆଶା କରୁଛି ଟପିକଟି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥିବ ଆଉ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭାବେ ବୁଝିପାରିଥିବେ। ଲାଷ୍ଟ 4 ରିମେନିଂ ଟପିକ ବହୁତ ହି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି, ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ କରିବୁ। ଯଦି ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆପଣ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ତ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ତେବେ ବିଦାୟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ପୁଣି ଦେଖା ହେବ ଆଉ ଏକ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ।